How to create new folder on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create new folder on Dropbox. First thing, go to the home page. Now this is the home page of Dropbox, and go down here, click on this plus icon. After you click on it, now you will find many options here. Click on create a new folder. After you click on it like this, now you will be able to create a folder. Let's take a name, for example test, and click create. Now as you can see, I have a folder right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.